The joy of unexpected moments. Understanding a pleasant surprise. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the beauty and intricacies of the English language. Today, we're diving into a delightful phrase that you've probably heard or used before, a pleasant surprise. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you appreciate the small, unexpected joys in life. So, let's get started and uncover the meaning and usage of a pleasant surprise. A pleasant surprise combines two key words, pleasant and surprise. Pleasant refers to something that is enjoyable and satisfying, while a surprise is an unexpected event or piece of information. When we put these two words together, a pleasant surprise refers to an unexpected event that brings happiness or joy. It's something that you didn't see coming, but you're glad it happened. To better understand how a pleasant surprise is used, let's look at some examples. Finding money in your pocket that you forgot about is a pleasant surprise. Receiving a compliment from a stranger can be a pleasant surprise. A surprise visit from an old friend you haven't seen in years is definitely a pleasant surprise. These examples show that a pleasant surprise can range from small, simple moments to significant, memorable events. For English language learners, mastering phrases like a pleasant surprise is crucial for several reasons. It enhances your conversational skills and helps you express feelings more naturally. It allows you to connect with others by sharing experiences of unexpected joy. Understanding such phrases deepens your cultural insight into how English speakers communicate emotions and experiences. Now that you know what a pleasant surprise means and why it's useful, try to use it in your daily life. Share your own experiences of pleasant surprises with friends or in your English class. Listen for the phrase in movies, songs, or while reading English literature to see how it's used in different contexts. Try writing about a pleasant surprise you've experienced or would like to experience, using the phrase to enhance your storytelling. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and beauty of a pleasant surprise. We hope this video has been not just informative but also a pleasant surprise in your language learning journey. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about capturing and sharing the human experience. Keep practicing, stay curious, and who knows, maybe learning English will bring you some pleasant surprises along the way. See you in the next video.